In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the snipping tool is not working on your Windows 11 computer. The snipping tool is used for taking screenshots and recording your screen. Normally, you can press Windows plus Shift plus S to open it. But if that's not working, here are a few fixes you can try. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager, then use the search box and type Snipping Tool. If you see it running, right-click on it and select End Task. Now close Task Manager. Next, go back to the Start menu and open Settings. From the left-hand side, click on System, then select Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on. Scroll down, find Snipping Tool, and make sure its notifications are also enabled. Now try opening the Snipping Tool again. If it's still not working, go back to Settings. Click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. Search for Snipping Tool, click the three dots, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for it to complete. Then click Reset and confirm. Once done, try launching the tool again. If it still doesn't work, open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command, sfc/scan now, then press Enter. This will scan and fix any corrupted system files. Wait for it to reach 100%. After that, your snipping tool should be working properly. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.